Welcome to my channel. Today we talk how to overcome anxiety in 7 days, a proven step-by-step guide. Feeling trapped by anxiety? In just 7 days you can take control and feel calmer, more confident and ready to take on life's challenges. Here's how. Anxiety is one of the most common struggles today, especially for young people. The pressure to succeed, fit in, and stay ahead can be overwhelming. But you don't have to live in constant worry. In this video, I'll share a simple 7-day plan that uses science-backed strategies to help you manage anxiety and regain your peace of mind.
Day-by-day breakdown. Day 1. Understand your triggers. Start by identifying what makes you anxious. Is it deadlines, social interactions, or the fear of failure? Write down your triggers and rank them by intensity. Awareness is the first step to control. Day 2. Breathe better, feel better. Learn simple breathing techniques like the 4-7-8 method. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This calms your nervous system instantly. Day 3. Take action with journaling. Spend 5 minutes a day writing down your worries and counter them with rational responses. For example, replace "I'll fail" with "I'll do my best." Shift your mindset slowly but surely. Day 4. Move to improve. Physical activity reduces anxiety. Go for a walk, do yoga, or try a quick home workout. Exercise releases endorphins, the feel-good chemicals in your brain. Day 5. Limit your screen time. Social media can amplify anxiety. Set a timer and stick to it. Use the extra time to focus on hobbies or connecting with loved ones in person. Day 6. Try mindfulness or meditation. Take 10 minutes to meditate using an app or YouTube guide. Focus on your breath or repeat calming affirmations like "I am at peace." This rewires your brain for calmness. Day 7. Celebrate small wins. Reflect on your progress and reward yourself for the effort you've put in. Even small steps lead to big changes. Anxiety doesn't define you. With small, consistent actions like these, you can regain control and feel more confident every day. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're excited to try. Remember, you've got this.